In today's digital age, the internet offers countless opportunities for individuals to generate income and build thriving online businesses. Whether you're looking to supplement your existing income or completely replace your traditional job, mastering the art of online income can pave the way to financial freedom and flexibility. This comprehensive guide aims to provide you with a step-by-step roadmap to building your online empire. From identifying profitable niches to scaling your business for long-term success. Step 1. Define your niche. The first crucial step in building your online empire is to define your niche. Identify your passions, interests, and areas of expertise. Research market demand and competition within your chosen niche to ensure its profitability. Remember, success often lies at the intersection of passion and market demand. Step 2. Create a solid business plan. With your niche identified, it's time to create a solid business plan. Outline your goals, target audience, unique selling proposition, and monetization strategy. A well-thought-out business plan serves as a roadmap for your online venture, guiding your decisions and actions as you grow your empire. Step 3. Set up your online presence. Establishing a strong online presence is essential for attracting and engaging your target audience. Register a domain name that reflects your brand and set up a professional website or blog. Leverage social media platforms to connect with your audience and drive traffic to your online properties. As Step 4. Monetize your platform. Explore various monetization methods to generate income from your online platform. Consider options such as affiliate marketing, advertising, sponsored content, digital product sales, and membership subscriptions. Diversifying your revenue streams can help maximize your earning potential and safeguard against fluctuations in any single income source. Step 5. Implement effective marketing strategies. Effective marketing is key to growing your online empire and reaching a wider audience. Invest time and effort in search engine optimization (SEO), content marketing, email marketing, social media marketing, and paid advertising to increase visibility and drive traffic to your platform. Consistent and strategic marketing efforts will help you attract and retain loyal customers. Step 6. Scale your business. As your online business grows, focus on scalability and efficiency. Automate repetitive tasks, delegate responsibilities, and streamline processes to free up your time and resources for strategic growth initiatives. Explore opportunities for expansion, such as launching new products or services, entering new markets, or forming strategic partnerships. Conclusion: building an online empire requires dedication, perseverance, and strategic planning. By following the step-by-step guide outlined above, you can lay the foundation for a successful and sustainable online business. Remember to stay adaptable and continually innovate, to stay ahead of the competition in the ever-evolving digital landscape. With determination and the right strategies, you can master the art of online income and create the lifestyle of your dreams.